Hey guys, what is up? It is Follow Me Friday, and I will post this video on Friday this week. It is a little bit earlier in the week if you want to try to guess when I did this one. Trying to work on that batch, doing things in a batch because it does seem to kind of help to get videos out. And so, with it being Follow Me Friday, you can go ahead and leave your link down below. Make sure that you do follow somebody else and watch their playlists and swap playlists, guys. It is good for the environment, at least the YouTube environment. Leave a link down below and let people know what you're doing on your YouTube channel, and if you have a website, you can let them know that as well. And maybe we give a little bit of blog swapping. I do want to do a little bit something different for shout outs. Not sure exactly what. I will still do a shout out video this week, and when I think of exactly what that we're going to be doing a little bit differently, I will let you guys know, of course. And if you want to stay tuned and find out what's going on the channel and the blog, go ahead and sign up down below. On my website, I'll leave that link for you guys, and that will just let you know what all is going on. And to get you guys some freebies, I'll be doing some YouTube monthly content calendars, I guess you would call them, content list. And then also some other how to start a YouTube. I'll be doing that one soon, and I did learn a few secrets that I'm going to share on that video, so stay tuned for that one, and we will see you guys next time. Y'all have a great one. Remember, this is not a sub for sub, so don't just say, hey, I subbed, or sub for sub. Gotta watch the video too. It puts you into spam if you don't watch. So please make sure to watch. I know a lot of you guys do, and I really, really appreciate that. So everybody take care, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.